How much should you actually spend on a camping stove? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Gas One GS3400P. Let's kick things off with the Gas One GS3400P. This dual fuel stove caught my eye with its affordability at just $29.99. And honestly, it's been bought over 9,000 times in the past month alone. If you want something straightforward and reliable for your outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. So, what makes this stove stand out? For starters, it's compatible with both butane and propane, which means you can choose the fuel that works best for your situation. It operates on a single butane cartridge or a propane cylinder, giving you flexibility. The automatic piezoelectric ignition is a total lifesaver, eliminating the need for matches or lighters. Just one push and you're good to go. Plus, it comes with safety features like a pressure sensor cartridge ejection system, so if anything feels off, it'll eject the cartridge for your safety. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're camping or just need a backup cooking option, it delivers peace of mind. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavy at 3.1 pounds, especially for backpacking trips. Here's the thing though, if you're car camping or setting up a base for a group, it's still pretty portable and easy to handle. It's perfect for those who want an affordable and effective cooking solution without the frills. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and easy-to-use stove for family camping trips. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for solo hiking. Honestly, for under $30, it's hard to beat. Now, if that weight issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Gas One High Pressure Burner. The Gas One High Pressure Single Propane Burner. This one is a bit of a beast, perfect for serious outdoor cooking at tailgates or seafood boils. While it doesn't have a specific price listed, it's known for its high output design, making it worth considering if you want to cook like a pro outdoors. What's impressive about this burner is its high output flame, which ensures even cooking without the risk of burning your food. It also features a top heat guard to protect against oil spillage and a bottom heat shield to prevent damage to your surfaces. This level of protection is crucial when you're outdoors, where elements can be unpredictable. Plus, the durable construction with a cast iron burner head means it can take a beating. Here's why this matters for you. If you're planning big cookouts or need something reliable for frequent use, this burner won't let you down. Now, some users mentioned that the setup can be a bit tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the performance is worth the initial hassle. If you read the instructions closely, you'll get it running smoothly in no time. This is perfect for you if you want to host larger outdoor gatherings or need a powerful cooking option. Skip this one if you need a quick, portable solution for solo trips. Considering its capabilities, it's a solid investment for serious outdoor chefs. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability.
Product number 3, Coleman Triton 2-Burner Stove. Let's talk about the Coleman Triton 2-Burner Propane Stove. Priced at $83.99, this stove is designed for those who want to cook up a storm while camping. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice. What draws me to this stove is its 22,000 BTUs of cooking power, which gives you the ability to prepare meals fast. It features 2 independently adjustable burners, allowing you to control what you're cooking with precision. The wind guards are a big plus, shielding your flames from the breeze. This is crucial when you're outdoors. Plus, the removable chrome-plated grate makes cleanup a breeze, which we all know can be a hassle when camping. Here's why this matters. Whether you're grilling breakfast or simmering dinner, this stove keeps up with your needs. Now, some folks pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for backpacking. Here's the thing though, if you're car camping or tailgating, the added size provides stability and cooking versatility that's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're camping with family or friends and need reliable cooking options. Skip this one if you're hiking solo and need something ultra compact. It's a great value for how much power and convenience it brings. Now, if that bulkiness is a concern for you, wait until you hear about the next stove, which is all about compact cooking.
Product number 4, Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking Stove System. At $49.95, it's on the lighter side and is perfect for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing function. This stove uses highly efficient heat exchange technology, reducing boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional stoves. That's a big deal when you're out in the wild and need to get your meal ready fast. It's compact and lightweight, fitting easily into a 1-liter cookpot along with all its accessories, which is great for backpackers. The built-in piezoelectric igniter means you can fire it up with just one button push. Here's why this matters. If you're on a multi-day hike, every ounce counts, and this stove won't weigh you down. Now, I did notice that some users mentioned it doesn't come with a fuel canister, which can be a hassle if you're not prepared. Here's the thing though, most people already have compatible canisters, and it's compatible with most brands except Coleman, making it adaptable for your needs. This is perfect for you if you're hiking or camping solo and need something lightweight. Skip this one if you're planning to cook for a larger group. Given its efficiency and compact design, it's a solid buy for outdoor enthusiasts. Now, if that compactness was appealing, wait until you hear about our final product, which offers even more power.
Product number 5, Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner stove. We have the Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner propane camping stove. Priced at $97.44, this stove is similar to our earlier Coleman option, but comes with some added features that really stand out. What I love about this model is the Insta-Start ignition, which makes lighting it up so easy, no matches required. It also has perfect flow and perfect heat technology, ensuring even cooking and temperature control, which is a game changer when you're outdoors. The dual wind guards are a lifesaver when you're battling the elements, and it accommodates both 12-inch and 10-inch pans comfortably. Here's why this matters. If you want flexibility in your cooking options, this stove has you covered. Some users have noted that it's slightly heavier than they anticipated, at around 16 ounces. Here's the thing though, if you're car camping, that weight is a small trade-off for the performance and features you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable cooking experience with great features for a group. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight for backpacking. It's a great investment for campers who want efficiency and ease. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of camping stoves, from the budget-friendly Gas One GS 3400P to the feature-rich Coleman Triton Plus. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits best for your outdoor cooking needs.
We've covered a range of camping stoves, from the budget-friendly Gas One GS 3400P to the feature-rich Coleman Triton Plus. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits best for your outdoor cooking needs. Remember, the right stove can really enhance your camping experience, so choose wisely.